Hi guys, so it's your girl Devontae again, and today, like I said, I will be doing unboxing for all my Newbie boxes. So I did the entire year of wonders for Newbie Box, where you get 4 boxes. I have a Newbie Box for the pregnancy box, and I have the Newbie Parent Box. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes in total from Newbie that I have to unbox. And like I said, I will be giving a lucky mom the Newbie pregnancy box from Newbie with all the goodies that it entails. So guys, let's get into the boxes. These are all the Newbie box. That's the parent box. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all the boxes right there. Excuse my children's school stuff in the back, but I can't wait to dig into all these boxes. I literally just took them out of the big box that they came in, and it's about time to dive in. Also, when you do the Newbie box, you do the year of wonder. You also get a free swaddle that I am excited to open and see, and you also get a food masher that actually came in this bag, but this is what it looks like. These were not in the boxes, they're huge, so they came open. I am really excited about this product in particular for when little mama starts to eat. I get to use this and mash her fruits and her vegetables and stuff like that. And I also got these for her. I didn't get these from Newbie Box, but these are something that I got online so that she could take advantage of when she gets time to eating her fruits and her vegetables. If I don't want to mash them and I want her to bite them and chew them, I'll put them into these and she will have a ball. So I'm really looking forward to when it's time for her to eat. So these will come in handy. But let's get into these boxes, peeps. So I think it's fair for some of you that I open the Newbie pregnancy box first. I don't know why it has this slash on the top and then it's taped, but nevertheless, let's get into it, guys. This is what it looks like. And now, with it being on the floor, you will get to see everything firsthand, just like I am. So I hope you guys are really excited to dive into it. So as you can see, it has a nice little sticker on here. I'm going to try not to tear the bag, the paper, but oops, it's already being torn. So first thing we see is the Newbie guide. It lets you know everything that is in the book. It has some information about the products. It has coupons. It has more free stuff that you can get. I had this as well, or still have it. So there's this kind breastfeeding starter pack that you can get online. These are some Newbie gift cards. I also have some of these gift cards to give away. Some of these have also changed from what I had, so this should be really cute to take advantage of. There's a checklist if you're still trying to finalize your baby nursery, or if you have everything for your child. There's a checklist that you can go through here to make sure you don't miss anything. There's also this milestone stuff that you can fill out after you've had your baby and put it in a frame. This is really cute. I hope you guys can see. And it's not too dark. There is also the Similac Strong Moms Rewards No Save Grow program. I also got free formula from these guys. So the book, there is even coupons for even Upspring, and trust me, Upspring is bae. If I had this coupon when I got my Newbie Box, I would have been in heaven. Trust me, it is awesome. So guys, capitalize on this product. If you watch my video, you will know that I have stocked up on my Upspring products. There's also coupon, receive 20% off Purell singles, enter code, and there's a code here to be entered. So there's a lot of change in this Newbie Box book. That is awesome. Also, it's giving you information about the Year of Wonder that I have here that I will be telling you about. You see the 4 boxes there, and so it says 4 milestone boxes for your baby's first year. What is in the box, and you can read. I'll keep it there for a minute so that you guys can read up, or you can pause the video and look into it, see if you're interested. And as it says here, if you want a discount, you can use that code. So I'm giving away that code so that you guys can see. Or you can use my link that I will be sending out on social media and WhatsApp and all platforms, Instagram, Twitter, so that you guys can use my link as well and get even more discounts. However, if you don't want to purchase these boxes, it is ideal that you share and encourage your friends and family to open the link and sign up, or just click on the link as much as possible, sign up, so that you can become a top referrer and you can get your next box free. Or once you have a certain amount of likes and people signing up, you will be eligible to receive your Year of Wonder. So you can get all those boxes free, and that is awesome in itself. So let's get back into the goods. As you can see here, there's this organic Himalayan green tea, which is killer. Never tried it, never heard it, but it's in here. This is Prevail. These are some pads, daily pads. And going to have a baby, you're going to need all the pads that you can get. These seem like they're really thick, so you guys can take advantage of these. So far, these are 2 new stuff that are in here. The first box that I got had Prevail, but it was liners, and the liners are really nice. You can see here the Upspring sample. There's another tea here. This is turmeric spice. These must be awesome. So this is 2 teas. You can probably put these into your hospital bag to enjoy. These are a sample of Cutie's diapers. You get 5 step 1s in here, and these are really nice when I use them with little mama. So you can capitalize on these as well. If you liked it, you can probably check it out on Amazon. I know Amazon sells it, and I think Walmart. This is a pacifier here. I'm trying to... This is from Boone. Sometimes it's good to suck. Oh, okay. That's what the little card in there says. But this is a different type of pacifier here. I've never seen one like this. But good stuff. There's some single advanced hand sanitizers in here, and there's 6 of them, it says in here. Oh, there's Bioderma products. This is mild cleansing foam and gel, and this is mild foam cleansing foam and gel. So they're both the same thing, but you get 2 samples. You get the Aquaphor 3-in-1. And then there is this sample here. Also new to the Lancino package that you can see that is different from my last video. It has this booklet or pamphlet in there that you can look at and read. It has a few pages, but in here you get the nipple cream, a sample of the nipple cream, the 2 breast milk storage bags, and the 2 nursing pads. So that is the... We will dive into the other box just now. So the next box that we're going to open is the Newbie Parent. The first thing that we see on here is this nice personalized card that shares 10 tips to leave you both pampered and prepared. Stuff everyday dad should know. This is a nice little book that my hubby can read to see what he should know as a dad. This is really nice because usually any gift book bags or anything don't involve the dads, so that was really nice. The other thing I see here is a teeth necklace for mom to wear, baby to teeth on. Oh, all right. I'm gonna try and remove this so that you can see. Aww, this is so cute, but I can't get it unraveled yet. This will be nice for when she starts to teeth. Still can't get it unraveled, but we get the idea. My hands look extremely terrible because they're stripping. The next thing I see here is this Bioderma solution, sensitive skin. It's a cleanse and soothe. It cleanses and soothes. So some kind of facial product. Okay. There's a coupon to get more products from Little Teethers. and they have a wide selection of products that you can choose from, apparently, but I will check that out. Oh, to the gods, there is an eye mask that I will be taking great advantage of. And then there's this other product from Bioderma. This one is a serum, so this one is for dehydrated and sensitive skin. So this is really cute. I don't know why I keep pushing the things out of scene, but this is what it is. I think that oh, there's one more stuff in the parent box, and this is awesome. A girl loves her charcoal cleansing bar, and this should be neat to use. There's also discount to get one at Amazon. So that was box number 2. That was the parent box. So let's dive into another box. Let's keep it going. Let's keep the momentum. I'm really excited because then so far they're really nice products that I'm seeing. This is the Newbie Nest. This is box number 1, as you can see here on the cute little sticker. So let's get into it. When I open it, as you can see, all of them come with a card. Now put that aside so that we can get into the meat of the matter. This one, 10 tips on getting you off to a good start with your newborn. Ooh, this is really cute. So it seems all comes out really personalized, very thought oriented. So it seems like they're really thinking about you, and it really feels like Christmas. I like opening gifts and packages. Makes it even more fun because you don't know what to expect, because then these boxes change, the items change a lot, but for the better. So let's get into it. First thing I'm seeing here is art cards for baby. This is really cute. So I'm going to open this so that we can have a look. I might open the other 3 in another video, start another video, like continuation, because then this video is getting really long already. So I'm going to only go to the end of this box, and then I'm going to do a continuation video to do the other 3. Just so you guys know. So this is what these look like, and these should be really nice to teach her. It comes with 6 cards, so you know, for the first few months or weeks your baby sees only black and white, so this set will be nice. It has lion, tiger, bear, monkey, parrot, and snake. So, and it has a nice little box that you can keep them safe in. And this is what they look like. This is really cute item. The next item that I'm seeing here is this Rae-el. She would really like this. This is cute. And the other thing I'm seeing here is another Bioderma product. I will have to do some research on what this is for. It says nourishing body cream, but I don't want to use it until I'm finished with her emulsifying ointment, so I'll save these products for later on. And then there is bibs, bandana bibs here. This is really, really cute. It has 2 press studs, so you can adjust it to your baby's neck. And they snap really nice, so this will be really, really cute on her. So far, I'm really loving these boxes. Not disappointed at all. Some of these products, you get really full size products. Some of these are organic items, so you really can't go wrong getting these boxes or receiving these as gifts. And it also comes with a card at the bottom, purple, to match the box, and it lets you know what is inside. If you want bandana bibs and stuff like that, anything that was in the box, it gives you coupons that you can use, coupon codes, discount codes, so that is really nice. These are some blankets that I see here that I think will be very lovely for little mama when she starts going to daycare or something. So rather than using up all her final receiving blankets at once, you can save some, but these look like they're huge. This box is really sturdy, so it's hard to really get in. These are the 2 designs. These are enormous. These are bigger than the sizes that they offer here. It's really nicely packaged. It smells really nice and clean, not like some of them that smell kind of funny. But this is really nice. So that was the Newbie box. That was number 1. That's the Newbie Nest. Really excited to open the other 3. So look forward to you guys watching the follow-up or the continuation to this video. So let's get into that, and I'll see you when you guys switch over. So see you soon, guys.